Hi, I'm Ranujaa. To me, running clears the mind. I run to be active and healthy and to relieve stress. My tempo could range from 5:30 all the way up to a 5-minute pace ideally. Tempo to me is exhilarating and freeing. I love the colors around the edges of the TempoNext percent. They're so bouncy when you run, you could literally feel the bounce. The TempoNext percent is more comfortable and a different lightweight sensation than the Pegasus and Zoom Fly. My next goal is to do the Berlin Marathon 2021. I ran a 10K for Cooper Foundation, but I'd love to do a half marathon in these and take it all the way up to a full marathon. I feel confident and excited for my runs when I put them on. I want to set a goal and achieve my pace time while running confidently in my gear.